Is your PC struggling with low GPU usage while gaming causing frustrating stutters and low FPS? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps I took to fix my GPU usage and unlock full performance boosting my FPS in 2025. Whether you're on a high-end or low-end setup, these tips will transform your gaming experience. Stick around and let's optimize your PC together. In the very first step, we are going to disable power throttling on our PC to get more GPU usage out of it. Power throttling is a feature in Windows that reduces CPU and GPU performance to save energy, which can negatively affect gaming performance. To disable it, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and a window will appear. Type gpedit.msc and press Enter. This will open the local group policy editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System. Scroll down and find the Power Management folder. Open it and locate Turn Off Power Throttling. Enable this setting to turn off power throttling on your PC. This will let your CPU and GPU run at their full capacity without power restrictions, which will improve GPU performance during gaming. By disabling power throttling, you will reduce stuttering and FPS drops, especially on low-end PCs. Click Apply, then OK, and close the window. Next, update all the drivers on your PC to fix any issues that may be affecting GPU performance. Drivers are essential because they allow the operating system to communicate with your hardware, and outdated drivers can lead to poor GPU performance. Start by right-clicking on the Windows Start icon and selecting Device Manager. In Device Manager, locate your GPU under Display Adapters. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated drivers. If it says your drivers are up to date, close it and download Driver Booster to update all drivers on your PC, including for your CPU and GPU. After installing the software, click the Scan button. The software will identify outdated drivers and allow you to click Update Now to install the latest versions. This will make sure your GPU is running with the best drivers for optimal performance. The next step is to set up a powerful Windows power plan for better GPU performance. Start by opening Windows Search, typing Edit Power Plan, selecting the option that appears. In the Power Plan window, click Change Plan Settings. Set both. Turn off the display and put the computer to sleep options to Never. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings to open more detailed options. In the Advanced Power Settings window, expand Hard Disk and set Turn Off Hard Disk after to 0 minutes to keep your hard disk active. Look for Intel Graphics Power Plan and set it to maximum performance for better GPU power usage. Under Processor Power Management, set both minimum processor state and maximum processor state to 100% to ensure your CPU always runs at full capacity. Click Apply, then OK, and close the window. These changes will ensure that your system prioritizes performance, helping your CPU and GPU work better together for smooth gaming. For further optimization, download and install the software Power Control, which gives you more control over your power settings. Open the software and select the High Performance Power Plan, then click Make Active to apply it. This will make your system prioritize performance over energy savings, allowing your CPU and GPU to use their full potential. If you're using a laptop, go to the battery DC settings and repeat the same steps to make sure your laptop performs well even when it's on battery power. Click Apply to save the changes. This will help remove any performance bottlenecks caused by power-saving settings, making your games run smoother. In this step, I'm going to show you how to use the MSI utility to improve the performance and stability of your hardware components. After downloading, open the program to view its interface. Find your GPU model in the list. Since we are using the GPU to reduce latency, check the MSI box next to your GPU model and set the interrupt priority to high. Then locate your integrated GPU such as Intel in the list, check the MSI box for it, and set its priority to high as well. Once done, click Apply to save the settings and then close the MSI utility. This process will help prioritize your GPU and integrated GPU, improving overall performance and reducing latency. The next tool to use is ThrottleStop, which helps prevent GPU throttling by improving CPU performance and removing unnecessary power restrictions. Open the software and select the Game Power Plan, which is designed to maximize your system's performance for gaming. Enable High Performance Mode and make sure that options like Speed Shift C States and Turbo Boost are set to prioritize performance. Save the settings and minimize the application so it runs in the background. By doing this, ThrottleStop ensures that your CPU performs at its best, removing throttling issues that can limit GPU performance, thus improving overall system responsiveness during gaming. In this step, I'm going to use MSI Afterburner, a tool that helps optimize your GPU. Open the software and increase both the power limit and temperature limit sliders to their maximum values. This allows the GPU to use all available power and handle higher workloads. Next, adjust the memory clock in small increments of 20 MHz, e.g., from 200 to 220 or 240 MHz, which improves memory performance and leads to better frame rates. After making these adjustments, test your system's stability by running a game or stress test to ensure it works well without crashing or overheating. If stable, continue fine-tuning the settings. Click Apply to save your changes and let MSI Afterburner run in the background to maintain the optimized settings during gaming, boosting GPU performance and improving overall gaming experience. Next, optimize your Windows graphics settings for better GPU performance. Right-click on your desktop and open Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. In this window, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling, which helps reduce latency and improve performance by shifting some tasks to the GPU. Restart your PC to ensure these changes take effect. To optimize for specific games, use the Browse option in Graphics Settings to add games like Fortnite. Once added, select the game and set its graphics preference to High Performance. This ensures Windows uses your GPU to run the game, resulting in better gameplay and higher frame rates. Finally, optimize your Windows registry to improve GPU performance. Open the registry editor as an administrator by typing regedit in the Windows search bar and selecting Run as Administrator. Navigate to the specified registry path. Once there, change the system responsiveness value to 0 and set the base to hexadecimal. In the task section, adjust the values for GPU priority and priority settings to 8 and 6 respectively, both in hexadecimal. After making these changes, click OK to apply them. Restart your PC to ensure the changes are effective. These settings will improve GPU performance, especially during gaming, leading to better frame rates and a smoother experience. After following these steps, launch your game and enjoy better GPU performance. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. See you in the next video.